In the relation, express z in terms of x and y. Now, how do we solve the question here? Okay, I have my solution. Yeah, watch closely. What is the first thing to do? Now, you can see that this is a square root, and this is also a what? A square root. So, we simply square both sides from here. We have x over root 3. This one here, what? Squared. Equal to, now, this part here. Z over z plus y. This also what? Squared. Now from this part here, this square here what? Take care of the square roots. Now from here we split this square to both numbers. So square to this becomes what? X squared over, now from this part here, square also what? Cancel the square root of this. We are left with what? 3 equal to what? What's this? Z over what? Z plus y. Now we are close to our answer. Now from this part, what do? You simply cross multiply. So we have what? X squared into bracket what? Z plus y equal to what? 3 times z is what? That's what? 3z. Now from here, x squared to open the bracket, we have what? Zx squared. Now plus what? Yx squared equal to what? 3z. Now from here we rearrange. Don't forget, what are we asked to make? Express what? Z in terms of x and y, making what? Z the subject of the formula. Now look at this. This is what? Zx squared, and this is what? 3x. So we bring them what? Together. Now from here, we can just leave this to this part over here. We're having what? Yx squared equal to, what's this? 3z. Now this goes to the other side. We have what? Minus z x what? Squared. Now from this part here, we continue. Now look at this. This z. We factor it out to have what? Yx squared equal to, now look at this. This z. We have what? Z into bracket what? Minus, into bracket 3 minus x squared. Now from here, we simply divide both sides by what? 3 minus x squared. Divide both sides. Both sides by what? By 3 minus x squared. Now from this part here, we have z into bracket 3 minus x squared. Now over what? 3 minus x squared equal to what? What's this? Yx squared, I mean. We have yx squared over, that's what? 3 minus x squared. Now from this part here, this here cancel out this. You are left with what? Z equal to what? Yx squared over 3 minus x squared. So we have expressed what? Z in terms of x and y. So that's what we have to do to make what? Z the subject of the formula. Now this is answer to a past question. Now we have our answer to be what? Yx squared minus 3 minus x squared.